Our latest read on initial continuing claims and trade balance. Trade balance for May comes in at 87.1 billion. That actually is the smallest trade balance of the year. February's was the largest going back to 1992 record keeping. It was slightly over 107 billion. On initial claims, 235,000. That's down 4,000 from what is still an unrevised 231,000 last week. And on continuing claims, 1,375,000. And that follows a slightly revised 1,324,000. The high watermark, or the lowest watermark, I should say, there was the third week in May when it was 1,306,000, the lowest since the late 1960s. If we look towards interest rates, well, even though continuing claims moved a bit higher, rates are still hovering very much where they settled yesterday, 3% on a 2-year, and that 10-year note yield is slowly creeping back. It's hovering now at 295. And of course, we know the dollar index has been one of the big stories as it's been continually making fresh 20-year highs. Joe, back to you.
Thanks, Rick. Steve Leisman joins us now with more. Hey, Steve.
Hey, Joe, two quick comments. First, the deficit is definitely coming down from that high watermark in March of 107 billion, now around 86 billion dollars. We just don't know if part of that decline is because of the shutdown in China, whether or not it resumes or hits a higher level when China fully opens up. Second thing is jobless claims remain relatively under control here, up a little bit, 235,000, but not signaling that caution alert at 250 or near 300. That would suggest mass layoffs in the economy. The Challenger jobs cut this morning showed some increase, but not necessarily anything that's well outside of the regular expectations, outside of a returning or rebounding economy. Joe?